后礼拜就是耶诞节啊，耶诞老人准备要送礼物。今年荷兰的耶诞村都收到50万张，来自全世界批，寄上济批国家有咱台湾嘛寄未少。
位于芬兰拿破仑首府罗瓦涅米180公里的耶诞村，夜色真灿烂，电话布置也真热烈，充满真高的耶诞气息。真侪游客早早就来卡位，准备过一个在地的耶诞假期。根据当地观光单位统计，当年平均达到70万人来耶诞村。
It says Christmas everywhere. Just if you look around, you have the snow, you have the lights, you have the elves, you have Santa. So everything is just wonderful.
Pretty different. I think it's like 42 degrees Celsius at home at the moment. So we're sending photos to the family and they're pretty shocked.
在真侪国家，耶诞节代表岁末盛宴，除了是迎接新年的开端，也感念过去一年点点滴滴。今年耶诞老人照例收到来自世界各国大细汉囡仔的贺元批，耶诞精灵也整理出大家上要爱的礼物清单。
Things like Legos are always popular, books as well. But nowadays, also, of course, electronics, new phones or laptops and things like that. And this year, I would say Labubus have been a big hit as well.
在现代社会，电邮甲线顶通讯已经取代传统配件。也毋过，耶诞村当年收到的批犹原是真侪，当地邮局统计平均是达到50万张。上踊跃来批的国家甲地区，分别有波兰、意大利、台湾甲日本。耶诞节伫要到啊，耶诞老人台湾愿望批做好最后的送礼准备，伊伫出发之前也无忘记你传达今年的耶诞祝福。
And I hope this Christmas we could take a moment to think about how could Christmas bring us closer to each other? How could we all live in peace together around the world?
耶诞老人也分别用各国语言祝福世界各地的人，共同守护地球，将耶诞季节的精神分享给每一个人。公司新闻刘淑芬编译。